Chennai-based motorcycle maker Royal Enfield has announced a recall of 7,000 units of Bullet range motorcycles in India. The recall affects the Bullet and Electra 350 and 500 variants that were manufactured between March 20th and April 30th this year. The recall is related to an issue of a faulty brake caliper bolt that failed to meet the bike maker's quality standards. Customers will have to check in with their nearest service centers if their bike falls under the recall. The corrective measures will be taken by the Royal Enfield service centers free of cost. The locally assembled Range Rover Velar has been launched in India and is priced at 72,47,000 rupees ex-showroom. Jaguar Land Rover announced local assembly for the Velar luxury SUV last month, and the SUV gets a price reduction of 22 lakh rupees on the range-topping variant over the CBU version. The India-made Velar is available only in the top-spec R-Dynamic S trim and comes with LED headlamps, flush handles and an integrated rear spoiler. The cabin is loaded with a host of electronic aids. The price cut is expected to push sales for Land Rover's luxury SUV that takes on the Mercedes-Benz GLS, Audi Q7 and the upcoming BMW X7. Tech giant Google has announced a series of updates for Android Auto that makes the 5-year-old software more user-friendly than before. Android Auto now gets a redesigned interface with darker graphics along with color-coded accents to help drivers process information with a quick glance and make the fonts easier to read. Users can also scroll for apps vertically, allowing for more smartphone-like interface. The update also adds a notification center that shows recent calls, messages and alerts on the same screen. Google will release the updated version on Android Auto later this year, and the software is said to be compatible with existing vehicles that already run on the connectivity system.
We've had 15 years of sheer leadership, bringing you the very best of the world of wheels. If you like the best, subscribe to our channel.